The quartz extracted here is among the purest in the world, destined specifically for silicon robot components.
Look at the stress pattern here. It's anomalous.
I see it. Rerunning the analysis now.
The stacking sequence is fully operational and stable. Good.
Keep monitoring the transfer rate on line 3.
Is the load secure on your end?
Confirmed. Ready for transport.
All green here. Place the silicon pallets in Bay 3. We need them prepped for the automated system now.
Affirmative. Moving to Bay 3.
The consistency is holding steady right here.
Good. Let's maintain this rotation speed for the next cycle.
Look at the readout for the thermal gradient. It's within optimal parameters, but we should log the variance.
Dimensional accuracy confirmed on the latest scan.
The verification is complete. We can approve the parts.
Check the alignment on the left tibia connection.
Confirmed. Making micro adjustments to the arm pressure. The movement seems stable. Are the vibration dampening results consistent?
Yes, readings are holding steady across the range.
Use the precision tool to secure that harness connector.
All right, it's locked in place.
Monitor the flux application on the BGA components.
It seems consistent with the specifications, but I'll keep an eye on it.
Joint articulation on Unit 3 looks stable.
Data acquisition confirms green status across all parameters.
The oscillation dampens at 2.7 degrees.
Confirmed. Balance parameters are normalizing across the metrics. The mobility systems are synchronized.
Confirmed. Low power output is stable across all platforms.
System check complete. Everything looks good on this side.
Confirmed. Data parameters are stable. Proceeding with logging.
Thermal regulation is stabilizing. Initiating the heat ramp test now. We're showing green across all primary servos.
Look at the point cloud density here. We're losing fidelity at the edges. Yeah.
Recalibrating the sensor array now to compensate.
System reports nominal function restored.
Telemetry confirms stabilization across all axes. Anomaly contained.
Noted. Logging the metrics now.
Fluctuation on Unit 7 stabilized after the last sequence. Agreed. All parameters are within tolerance now.
Wiring secured on leg mechanism. All connections green.
Diagnostic scan complete on the torso. Power fluctuations normalized.
Acknowledged. Uploading final report.
Emergency shutdown activated.
Systems stabilized.
Fail-safe mechanisms confirmed operational.
Engaging lift sequence. Clear on your side?
All clear. Guiding the unit down now. Steady.
Confirmed. Holding position.
Verify the serial numbers on the next row up.
Looks consistent with the shipment manifest. Everything checks out. This batch checks out. Optics alignment is perfect across the board.
Agreed. We can greenlight them for packaging?
Okay, bring it down slowly. Watch the clearance on the left. Steady on the left. Coming down.
Look at the stress telemetry here.
It's within the expected parameters, but let's monitor the vibration dampening on Unit 3.
Watch the alignment on row 3. Looks good. Sequence confirmed. Check the manifest against the label here. This batch goes out first.
Confirmed. Wrapping it up now.
The pallets for Zone 6 are running 15 minutes behind schedule. We need to reroute the next inbound shipment.
Understood. I'll adjust the priority accordingly.
All right, slide it under. Keep it straight. Easy now. Looks good. Take it up.
Manifest confirmed on trailer 4. Ready to seal.
Copy that. Engaging automated lock.
Load secure, ready for sign-off.
Confirmed. Scan complete. We are green for transport.
Watch that crate. Secure it before the next turn.
Confirmed. Securing the load now.
Confirming outbound trajectory for Wayfinder 3.
Trajectory locked. ETA 0400 hours.
Watch the clearance on the left.
Okay, bringing it in slowly.
Set it down right there.
Primary systems coming online. Gyro stabilization engaged.
Diagnostics look nominal. Ready for stress test. Does this meet the threshold for motion tolerance?
Checking the parameters now. It seems within spec.
All platforms advancing as planned. Status check on Alpha Line. Alpha Line is green. Control.
This diagram shows the flow regulator placement.
Okay, let's cross-reference the diagnostic output.
Remember to follow the lockout tagout procedure exactly.
Safety check initiated on the articulated joints.
Always prioritize safety protocols during this rehearsal.
The power levels on Unit 7 are fluctuating slightly below tolerance.
Noted. I'll run a diagnostic scan on the primary capacitor now.
Platform stabilized.
Readings are nominal. Proceeding to the checkpoint.
This fluctuation in the degradation curve requires attention.
Rerunning the diagnostic cycle with adjusted stress parameters.
These efficiency metrics on the Series 7 units are exceeding projections. Agreed. The predictive maintenance protocols are stabilizing the lifecycle curves. Inside the Apex facility, these silicon units undergo final calibration before deployment, ensuring long-term operational success.